He's gonna grab you. Chicken. No, he's gonna show you how. Like this. This is how he's gonna go. Watch your feet. That's it. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. He's like, what are you doing to me?
Hey, but he had underhooks already. Hey, he had his hands under.
You want to do it again?
It's easy.
Hey, tell them to put their arms like this. Tell them to do like this.
Hey, Raja went down. Now sit down. Hold on. His balls hurt. His balls Go ahead. They wait. I want to dance. I shouldn't buy dance.
Yeah, what are you pre-hotel? You balance your muscles.
He said once you hit whoever hits the ground, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.